Welcome back to Fix It Aid. It's a little bit nerve-wracking, this one, for me, because I got to change the battery in this phone. And I've never changed the battery in a Samsung phone. And you might think, well, why are you nervous for? Because the answer is simple. I haven't bought this faulty or anything. This is my phone. This is the phone I use every day. And if I cock this up, I'm going to be without the phone. So let's get cracking. I'm going to take this case off first. Right, as you can see, it's filthy. It's been in a case for a long time, as you can see. Because I went years and years and years without breaking a phone. Probably because they were the old brick style phones. But then, all of a sudden, I started... Well, I lowered the car down and the phone was on the floor, so that got crushed. Lowered the car down off a jack. Dropped them, all that sort of stuff. So I put them in FD cases now. So let's switch it off. Yep. Let's get the card out. Not the way I wanted to do it, but it's done. There's the tray over there. Just put everything back where it's meant to go. And the SD card. See that card, is it? Yeah. Right, we'll put that safe. Move on here. Right, so now the thing we got to do now is get this case off. And you've got to heat it up. But by the looks of it, it's starting to come away here. It's starting to come away fully. Do you know what? That's probably due to being in there. And the heater gets under. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to warm it up anyway. Get a spudger out. I'll get this thin one. I'm going to go over to where it's already coming away. Here we are. Yeah, see? Right, so the glue is broken down on that side, but not quite on. Oh wait, there it is coming away, but I don't want to bend the case. Here we are. Should be able to get away with that now. Last thing I want to do is kink the case. There we are, up he comes, and off he comes. Marvellous. So that's the first step out the way. So now, I believe we've got to remove these screws. Take this off. So, what type of screws are they? Let's have a quick scout. Is this? So bring us up to here. Oh, they're just small crossheads. Wasn't expecting that, to be honest with you. Yeah. If I got a smaller one, it'll be better if I had a slightly smaller one again. Yes. So this now should pry up, I believe, is it? Yeah, there we are. So I come over there like that. So need to I don't use that. Plastic spudger. Where's my plastic spudger? There. Right. Pop that off. And pop that off. So I should come down here like that now. Up the weight. Right, pop this off. Right. I'll do is I'll put this down by here to weigh this down. Right, this battery now is glued in. So how much glue is still holding it in? Feels like a lot. So I'm going to have to warm it up. Out. Shit, I hope I haven't damaged anything here. Right, new one in. It's my new one. Nice amount to put in. Some sticky already. Lovely. There. Right, so to put this back the way I took it apart, so I'm going to put this on here. Right, yeah. Let's move this out of the way. Push that down on there. Bring this one over here now. Push that down on here. Make sure it's all pushed in and clipped down. I'm going to test it now. Oh, the nerves. He's charging. Ah. Come on. There we are. Oh, wait there. Let's make sure the camera's working. Yeah, marvellous. Right, come out. Power off again. That's powering off. And put it back together. To the cover now. Got to glue it back on. So I've got some of this B7000 here. So what I'm planning on doing is putting the glue on, putting this on, and what shall I do? Shall I get clamps? I don't really want to put clamps on that much pressure on it. I'll just weigh it down with that, I think. Yeah, let's just put some glue on it. Right. Actually got this clamp here. Oh, put that down on that side. And there we are.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
If anyone's wondering what's going on with my case, what I've done, because these come with this epoxy little plastic film, flexibly, plasticky, crappy, feels like the stuff on the front of a toy doll box, you know, the see-through plastic. So I cut that out. I put an actual glass screen protector on. So I can then just put this on. And I can just pop this in here. Get it all pushed in. And then that should be it. Give my screen a nice good clean. Don't want to do that. Don't want to do that. I just check camera out. Yep. The camera, yeah. Video. Lovely. I'll rotate anyway, don't I? Ah, there we are. I think the phone is just waking up a bit now. So we are. Job well done. So thanks for watching. I'm going to have a bit of a tidy up now. So I hope you enjoyed me stressing out over this. And I will see you in the next video. So until then, ta-da!